Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to explore how to enable and disable preview features in Power BI. Let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk a bit about what preview features are. Preview features are in Power BI are new features that Microsoft is testing before making them generally available. These features give us a sneak peek and an opportunity to provide feedback directly to Microsoft. Alright, now let's see how we can enable or disable these preview features. Open Power BI Desktop, click File in the upper left corner, select Options and Settings, click on Options. In the Options window under the Preview Features section, you will see a list of preview features available for preview. Simply check the boxes next to features you want to enable or disable. Alright, click on OK and restart the Power BI desktop to apply the changes. Couple of things to keep in mind. Preview features are not final and might change based on the user feedback. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.